to another interesting video. My beautiful name is Beryl and this is my channel Beryl Afro TV. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. Subscribe. It's a beautiful day. It's a sunny, hotty day, and I want us to make something to soothe the soul. Can't explain that feeling, but in a short time you'll know what we're gonna make. So meanwhile, it has been hot and dry and sunny in Nairobi. Nairobi is a city in Kenya, East Africa. So something I want scientists in the house to help me explain is how this hot season or hot environment is related to a lot of mosquitoes breeding. Because of late I've realized mosquitoes are increasing in number. I thought mosquitoes only breed during the rainy season, so I'm confused. Don't come for me, just want the scientists in the house to help me explain. Meanwhile, let's go make something cold. Yeah, we are finally in the kitchen. Ta-da. Okay, I want to make a healthy smoothie. I don't know if it's healthy, but according to me, it's healthy. And it's so this weather. It's really hot. And don't ask me why I'm wearing a jumper sweater. Don't ask me why. Oh, everybody, they have their own decision to make. Anyway, I'm just wearing a sweater because I haven't been feeling well. I think it's the flu going around because of the dusty environment. Anyway, ingredients of the day: bananas, mangoes. Remember from the other vlog, it's the season of mangoes, so we are using mangoes. If you know another recipe of using mangoes apart from just eating raw, maybe a recipe of maybe cooking. I don't know. Right now we're just drinking mango juice, and like mango in everything, you understand? So mango, it's already washed. I really wanted to put an avocado, but I think I'll just use the two. And the final one is this concentrate. Don't know. Yeah, this flavored, it's called yogurt, lemon biscuit yogurt. I don't know why it's not concentrating. Yeah, let me put it in my face, maybe it's concentrate. Yeah, that one. If you know, you know. So in the blender, and that's it. Okay, it's this one here. Okay, I'll start preparing my mangoes. Okay, I was talking about the mosquitoes in Nairobi. Hey, currently mosquitoes are everywhere. I don't understand what's going on, but they're breeding on a high note. Yeah, so let's make a smoothie. Is it healthy? To my opinion, it's healthy. Mangoes, bananas. Yeah, if it is healthy, I don't know. I seriously don't know. Yeah. What's going on here? This mango. And I already washed my hands, so don't come for me. Don't come for me, oh. My hands are washed. I'm trying to just chop this mango in smaller pieces. Yeah, this mango is overripe. It has ripe. I like blending with a bit of the mango, let's say, outer cover. Yeah. If you know, you know. The mango is sweet. The mango is sweet. Just a bit of mess. Okay, done with the mangoes. Then the banana. Okay. Guys. On to the next. Don't know why babies like crying. I've never understood. Especially here. They love crying. Then water. Clean drinking water. A bit of it. Then my favorite. It's cold. And I love it. I love it. Licky. What is this? The mango now. So sasa mambo, mbona unanalia? Why are you crying? Mbona analia? Mbona analia huyu? Mbona analia lia? Sorry. Oh. Students, where were we before the disruption? That was my neighbor's baby. I don't know, but I don't know why kids love me. I don't know. So they just came. But I'm a friend of the little brown girl. You saw her in my last video, if not wrong. So we continue we continue. Let me strategize you people well. So we continue. It was now we are about to blend. We on, of course, we need the blend. As it blends, we clean after ourselves. And just like that, it's ready to be served. Okay. I like using this straw. So use the let's see the moment we have been waiting for. Okay. Okay. Damyungr. Okay. Let me do a bit of this. Yeah. The remaining one is for my sister. Yeah, let's see. If you know, you know. You can take for that baby, yeah. I can give her some. Yeah, she's my good friend. A friend of mine. Let me serve her some. Take to her. My sister will just add this for her. My sister will just add a mango, and for her she drinks milk. Me, I don't take milk. I don't know the science bit. Today is about science. I can take yogurt, but I don't take milk. I don't know why. So if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. Kindly support a baby girl here by subscribing, liking, and commenting on my videos. Let's take this smoothie to my baby girl downstairs. Meanwhile, just remember to share this video, subscribe, and like. Please, so a baby girl is pleading with you. Till next time, friends, bye. I hope you try out this recipe. It's not complicated. Let's go. Pia nakujanga kwangu, yeye ndio mgeni wangu. Done with the delivery, but I always wonder why I attract children. Since when I was a small girl, I've always attracted children. My mom would tell me. My parents used to complain about it. I always attract children till now. They just come to me, like I don't go to them like, oh, let me carry you. No, they just come to me. Like this baby girl here always comes in my house. Yeah. to greet me, and we have been friends since. So I don't know the science about that. Today is about science, right? Maybe it's my aura. Till next time. Bye.